Hello, and welcome to Tech Corner, hosted by Nude Computer Guys. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to use stickers. So to start off, stickers are a thing that has been in iOS for a few years now, and it's a kind of a nice way to expand the way you send images. Stickers, instead of emojis, you can now use stickers to send messages and attach like cool little images to text messages. So there are two methods, so I'm going to show you both methods today. So let's go ahead and get started. The first method I'm going to show you is by going to the Photos app. So let's go ahead and open up the Photos app. And as you can see, here is a set of photos. So I'm going to go to my favorites because I've got some selected. And let's go ahead, and I want to use the one from the Colosseum. So if I press and hold on the Colosseum, see how it kind of does this little halo effect? And you can either, one, copy it, you can add a sticker, which is what we're going to do, or you can share it. So we're going to go ahead and say add sticker. And there we go. So we've now added this as a sticker. So now what we can do is when we go to our messages, go to message and I go to compose, and now let's go ahead, and if I click the little plus sign, I can now you'll see an option that says sticker, and now I can go ahead and select the Colosseum, and that will automatically show up in my messages. Now the other method in way to add stickers is actually from the Messages app by itself. So if I go to plus and I click on stickers, there's an option you'll see is the little plus sign. So if you go ahead and tap on that plus sign, now from here I can go through my photos and pick a sticker. So if I go here, let's say I want this one. So it's going to go ahead and add, so you can see the outline here. And if I hit add sticker, it's going to go ahead and add that sticker. So that is how you can use stickers in messages in iOS, your Mac, iPadOS, across pretty much all Apple devices. If you like this and found it helpful, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you would like to get further content like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.